It's 7:14 on the 21st of August. 59 degrees. Sun rises at 5:41. Sun sets at 7:28. And it's raining. Flynn's got his slicker on. I got my muck boots on. And want to stay away from the road. It's going to be muddy. Flynn, this way. Flynn. Flynn, this way. Take a walk around the yard this morning. I'm going to get wet. The high-res camera's getting wet. The GoPros are waterproof housing, except there's a hole for the microphone I drilled. We did a late video yesterday. When Flynn got up, he was sick. He was throwing up, and then he had a emergency evacuation of the bowels. Fortunately, it was outside the house. Rita thought he was going to throw up, so she let him out, and he pooped twice. Sorry for being graphic, but then Rita went to her sewing thing, and he was very anxious. He was jumping up. I was sitting by my computer, and he was jumping up on my leg, wanting attention. So I opened the door, and he ran. And he ran up to the front field, and he tried pooping 4 or 5 times. I didn't check to see if anything came out. Don't shake too much, buddy. You don't want that dragging on the ground. We don't get down here that much. Still haven't heard a partridge. Or a rough grouse. You go by 2 different names. Let's get down here and see what it is. Oh, the motion sensors are off. I can get through here without getting soaked. Flynn, this way. A branch is broken on the apple tree. The wind broke that one. She split way up. That's a good 30-inch split. We used to get some decent apples out of this tree. Oh boy. Nothing, no birds. Flynn, let's get down by the blackberries. Flynn, this way. This way, Flynn. This way. You can see there's a big tree there. You see a big branch ripped right off of it. About 20 feet up. Down there somewhere. Anyway. There's the blackberries. Hey, Flynn, over here. A bunch of blackberries there. Come on. All in here. Yeah, I got to pick those. There's more over there. There's more in. The only problem is those are all thorn bushes. All right, bud, let's go. If you go back in there, there's more blackberry bushes in there. Walk past the what I call the west camera here. See whether it sends any pictures. The batteries are dead on it now. But I did hook up a Wayne Home solar panel to it. I told you your spruce is still sitting here. This is the way home. I should probably move that camera. I put an extension antenna on it just to try to get better signal, but It's only got one bar. He went back again, 10 or 100. Let's go in the house, bud. All right, in the house. There was a hare nest under one of these pine trees. Rita scared them out when she was mowing last time. I don't know if they moved. They probably did. But I'm getting wet. I don't think he has to move his bowels this morning. He didn't eat it all yesterday. Grass needs to get cut, but not in the rain. All right, bud, we go in the house. I've looked at the footprint of the street, or road we used to live on, street, whatever, back in New Jersey. And the entire street would fit in a small portion of the property here. Alright, that's going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Gotta dry him off now. Sit. Sit. Come on, over here, come. Sit down.